We have so many reasons to look around and feel blessed. For this, for that, for everything. To start with, the light we receive every morning, which charges our being right from the smallest cell to the tissue, to muscle, to bones, to nerves, arteries, veins, organs, to our senses. This light is not just energy which manifests and grows our body for its longevity, immunity, vitality, perpetuity, but also the same energy makes us feel happy and good. Enthusiasm in the morning rises with the sunlight. And this is the enthusiasm for life and living. With life and living celebration should come the sentiment of seeing, life, living, and seeing. This is the seeing of not just your clinical eyes, but this is the seeing through the eyes of your soul and heart, that everything is just so beautiful. And light doesn't discriminate when it shares and gives. So enthusiasm for living should also come enthusiasm for giving. A heartfelt thank you. Dhanyavad. Dhanya ka samvad. Gratitude. In our attitude should be a lot of dhanyavad. And no sooner we start with gratitude, we find more and more reasons to be grateful about. Then comes the wind, the air, the oxygen, because of which there are trees, plants, vegetation, fruits, flowers, herbs. They nourish us not only with oxygen in energy exchange, but they nourish us with vitality, wisdom, and victory for longevity, immunity, vitality. Lungs literally celebrate with every deep breath. And with that oxygen, when blood enters our cells celebrate. So when we sit in dhyana, upasana, dharana, sadhana, there are so many such realizations. It's only when we stop our body, stop our mind and thoughts, we can see the subtleties and the nuances of this micromanagement of nature. Imagine that the bath you take, the water you drink, made available to you in abundance is coming from where? All the sources are those lakes, rivers, wells, oceans, all interconnected. All water bodies are interconnected. And they become the reason for your life to circulate within you, which is your blood, which is your life force. The nutrient-laden blood that moves into you nourishes every part of your being and the senses, awakens the rightful duties of each cell, each organ, each nerve, artery, vein, bones, muscle, and they coordinate. It works in the oneness of its intelligence. You alone are a complete ecosystem corresponding with the energies of the nature, cosmos. And then we have more to thank for the nights that fall upon us. After the heat, after the work, after the tiredness, the body has to go back to wellness, rest, aram, anand. And you should deserve, and you deserve that rest after doing all the meaningful work that you have done. It could be work towards your own health, service to your own self, service to God, that little lamp you light with gratitude, and a wish for wellness. The calm of the night should bring that gratitude back for the wonders of the day, for you to dissolve into the comfort of your bed, and gratitude for that bed, the walls that protect you from extreme winds, thunder, rain at night, and the gratitude for the deep, peaceful sleep. After being grateful for the sun, moon, stars, sky, day, night, rivers, oceans, lakes, trees, roots, fruits, gardens, flowers, let us be grateful to the people we are born with, our spouses, our parents, our children, our friends, our drivers, our cooks, our peons, our cleaners. Let's bow before all of them in deep gratitude for keeping your ecosystem alive, hygienic, clean, and vibrant with energy. For you to partake into that eternal dance of the celebration of life. With this deep found gratitude, I bow to all Devi Devtas, all angels, all shamans, gurus, gods, prophets, messengers, saints, priests, those who are spreading healing and harmony on this earth. I am grateful. I am grateful. I am grateful. I am grateful. Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad.